Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Chevrolet Colorado maintenance light reset. Now we're going to be using that screen right there. As you can see, change engine oil soon. And we're going to be using these buttons over here. The set button, the scroller, and the menu. Now go ahead and use the set button. Click it once to go find this. Now go ahead and press the menu to see vehicle. Now as you can see, we are at the remaining oil life. If you're not there, go ahead and use the scroller, and scroll to that indicator. Now when you get here, go ahead and press the set button to reset it. Now scroll up to yes, press the set button again, and there you go, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.